Hi, my name is Emi Kimura. I'm an extension agronomist for Texas A&M AgriLife extension at Vernon, Texas. Today in this video, I'd like to discuss about dual-purpose variety watch list. Texas A&M AgriLife Research and Extension wheat programs choose picks list and watch list each year for Texas wheat producers. And to be considered in picks list, the variety has to perform well at least 3 years. And to be considered in a watch list, the variety has to perform well for at least 2 years. And I have conducted this dual-purpose variety trials in the past 2 years, so I have watch list varieties to share with you today for this coming season in 2020-2021 season. So we had 14 total entries in our dual-purpose variety trials, and those entries are coming from West-bred varieties, Oklahoma State varieties, Coplen by Winfield variety, and Texas A&M AgriLife varieties. Among those 14 entries, I have selected 5 watch list varieties. They are West-bred 4792, West-bred 4595, Green Hammer 10-114, and Smith Gold. These are exact same watch list varieties as the last year's watch list, but these 5 varieties continue to perform really well in Texas rolling plains. Therefore, I selected these 5 varieties as our watch list. So our dual-purpose variety trials placed in 3 locations across the Texas rolling plains, one in Ford County, another in Haskell County, and finally in Wilbarger County. And they are all placed in on-farm, getting help and support from our Texas wheat producers and also the county agents. Thank you so much for letting us use your farm and land to place our trials. And these dual-purpose variety trials are a little bit unique and a little bit different from just the grain-only variety trials, because we come out and clip the forage, just kind of simulating the grazing effect on the variety. And also, the clipping continues until the jointing, and after the jointing stage, we just let it grow for grain and come out and harvest for grain. So in the dual-purpose variety trial results, you'll see the forage yield and grain yield. And this grain yield may be a little bit lower than those grain-only variety trial results, because the grazing effect is probably reducing the yield potential of that variety. But that's the whole purpose of doing this dual-purpose variety trials, because many of our producers are grazing our wheat in the Texas rolling plains. So when you consider using our watch list in this video and a series of videos in the playlist, please use this for your dual purpose use, and please consider using the UVT results and the picks list coming out of UVT results for your grain only picks list. With that, I posted this full description and results of this dual-purpose variety trials in the description below this video. And please look at the results if you are interested in looking at the results. And if you like to know a little bit more about the watch list varieties, I have separate videos within this same playlist for each describing about each watch list variety. And with that, I appreciate Texas Wheat Producers Board, and wheat industries for supporting our extension and research programs for Texas wheat production. Thank you so much.